Your daughter is being dragged through the mud nationally. It's any mother or father's instinct to talk about their child, and it's certainly their lawyers.
The lawyer for a teen charged in a brutal fight defending his client in court, the 15-year-old accused of assaulting a 16-year-old student in a now viral video. A judge will decide if one of those teens will be charged as an adult. Tonight, that teen charged remains in juvenile detention, where she has been since that fight.
16-year-old Kaylee Gain suffered traumatic head injuries in the brawl last month. Now her family is pushing for the other girl to be charged as an adult, but her lawyer says there is much more to this case, describing her as a bullied honor roll student. First
Alert 4 Investigates Susan Corey was in court today. She joins us now in the newsroom to detail more of what happened while you were there. It was short today, Susan.
Yeah, it was, Sam and Corey. The hearing today was over almost as soon as it started. We watched as the judge set a day for juvenile officers to finish their investigative report. That report is a key part in what's next, deciding if this teen should be charged as an adult. The 15-year-old charged was in court along with her family. You can see her parents here leaving the courthouse. Now, because of her age, we are not naming her. Also in court today, the parents of Kaylee Gain, the 16-year-old still recovering in the hospital. From the start, the judge acknowledged all of the attention around this case. Video of the March 8th fight, which happened off campus and after school hours, spread quickly online. The judge made a point of saying it's his job to be neutral. In Missouri, there are 10 factors a judge must consider in these cases. Those include the seriousness of the crime, if the accused has a juvenile record, and their maturity level, which involves looking at their home life. Juvenile officers get that information and then put it into an investigative report. In court today, the judge said he expects that report to be done by May. Now, this process can take months, sometimes upwards of a year, something we asked the teen's lawyer about.
Are you confident that this will happen in May or soon?
I would like to say I'm confident. Of course, we get a certification report from the juvenile officer, right? So they write up a report based upon their investigation. Should something be in that report that we're not aware of, then we may need more time. But, you know, she's confined right now. She's in detention. She's presumed innocent. So we want that hearing to happen as quick as possible.
And to give you some context, there's been a significant jump in the number of minors charged as adults in St. Louis County. We pulled numbers from the court showing last year it was 19 minors. The year before that, it was 6. So we're talking that number more than tripling. Something else to note here today in court, we noticed significantly more security. The judge said that will continue throughout this case. In the newsroom, Susan Corey, First Alert 4 Investigates.
Susan, thank you. And this case sparked the Missouri Attorney General's investigation of the Hazelwood School District, in part blaming their diversity, equity, and inclusion program. The school district and the NAACP have criticized that move.
Let's turn now